Equilibrium shift. Which direction
Yes,
equilibrium will shift so that the decrease and increase will be equal? Which direction?
Increase.
It is less, it is more. So where should go?
Wait.
Forward or backward?
Sir, it will go forward.
It will go forward. Okay. Very good. Forward. If it is going forward, so what will happen? The less will be equal and more will be decreasing, less will be increasing. So both will be equal. So that is equilibrium will shift in forward direction. Understood, Janab? Are you
Yes, sir.
understanding or not?
Sir, it's a bit confusing, sir.
It's been confusing. Okay. Just you have to see P proportional to N. Okay. So what the if more mole is there, more mole means that is more pressure. That is more pressure. More moles means more pressure. So equilibrium will try to equilibrium will try to reduce the equilibrium will try to reduce the increased pressure, reduce the increased pressure, reduce the increased pressure. Very simple. Yes, yeah, no. Equilibrium will try to reduce the increased pressure. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me, Janab, little bit here is we are having P. I am changing the equation. Let me see that will you be able to understand or not. See, PCl5. Okay, this is the gas. It is converting into PCl3 plus Cl2. This is the gas. All are the gas. Okay. Now we are going to increase the pressure of the system. We are going to increase the pressure. Okay. I am increasing the pressure here from the top. So I am asking, here you see 1 mole. Here is 1 mole. Here is how many mole product? 1 mole product plus 1 mole. So that is product side how many mole? 2 mole product. 2 mole product that is 2 mole product. And here is 1 mole. What is there? Reactant. Yes. So which
Yes,
side
sir.
pressure will be more, Jana? According to P proportional to N, product side pressure more or reactant side pressure more?
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, reactants, no, product side pressure more.
Why?
Because sir, over there 2 moles, over here 1 mole.
So product have, that is product have more pressure. Product have more pressure.
More pressure.
So product have more pressure. So what will happen, Janab? And reactant has less. Reactant has less pressure. Less pressure. So which direction equilibrium will shift so that the increased pressure and decreased pressure can be equal? Which direction equilibrium will shift? Forward or backward?
Sir, it will be. Wait, sir. Sir, it will be forward.
See, here is more is there na. So if it will go forward, if it is going the forward, so what will happen? If it is going to forward, it will be more and more, and it will be less and less.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Backward.
Are you be able to understand now?
Yes, sir.
So equilibrium in this case will shift in this which direction? That is going to shift in backward. Yes, yeah, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check the examples. Okay, so I'll give you some more examples so that it will be more clarity to you. I need to find out the examples. Please wait a moment. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it, got it, got it. No, this is not. Janab, you need to write this here. How to wait now? I'm searching out the this one, but I didn't get till now. Some more problems. Just I want to do here. Find the problems. 1 second only. 1 second. We'll go some more problems. Yeah, I got the. See, Janab, what we are having N2 and S2 we already practice. If you are S2O2 already practice, then we are having Janab 3 mole O2, okay, and that is we are having 2 mole O3, okay. So now we are applying the pressure. We are applying the pressure, right? So if you are applying the pressure, Janab,
Yes, sir.
so you need to think about it. You are applying the pressure. Here is the 3 mole. 3 mole is what, Janab, that is reactant. Na? Left side means reactant. And product ozone, how many mole? 2 mole. 2 mole product. Ab Janab, you know very well that is pre-proportional to N. So when you are applying the pressure G, so which direction pressure will be more? Which direction pressure will be more, Janab? 3 mole side or 2 mole side?
Wait, sir.
P proportional N. See, P proportional. More
Sir,
mole.
it will be 3 more sides, sir.
More
Reactant
mole
side.
means more pressure. More
Yes,
mole
sir.
means more pressure. So
More
here,
pressure.
here is high pressure. This side is what is there? High pressure. High pressure. And here is what is there? Low pressure. Low pressure. Now high and low we have to equal. High should become less and low should become little more. So which direction equilibrium will shift? Forward or backward?
Sir, forward.
Forward direction. Very good. If it is going forward, so that is what is high pressure will become little less and less pressure will become higher. So that is forward. Understood this, Jana? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Little bit confusing. I can understand it. These are the tough things. Let me try to help. Now, this is the interesting one. This is the important one and interesting one. That is N2 plus O2. Okay. It is changing into NO. Okay. So here is, you are going to apply the pressure here, you see. Okay. I am applying the pressure from the top. Okay. So you see, how many mole? 1 mole. Plus how many one? 1 mole. Total mole you see, Janab, how many mole? 2 mole. 2 mole. And here how many mole? 2 mole. Got it. 2 mole, 2 mole. So that Janab, P proportional N, moles increases, so pressure increases. Which direction pressure will be more? Which direction pressure will be more?
Sir,
Wait.
wait, sir.
Here also 2 mole, here also 2 mole.
Sir, pressure will be more in this reactant side, sir.
Why? Why, Janab?
No, sir. Both sides it will be equal. 2 moles and 2 moles.
Yeah, right. Very good. If there is, no change in, if there is no change in number of moles, if there is no change in number of moles, then they are saying then equilibrium will not shift in any direction. Then equilibrium will not shift in any direction. Will not shift in any direction. In any direction. So there, that is pressure has no effect. Pressure has no effect. Pressure has no effect on equilibrium. On equilibrium, pressure has no effect on equilibrium if number of mole not changed. If number of moles not changed. Understood, Janab? Understood this or no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Because
Yes,
see, super, super. Can you please write down this, Janab?
Yes, I am. Sir, can you show from beginning, please?
This is the first page only.
Yes, sir.
Effect of pressure. Done.
Yes, sir.
Can I make change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the example one, which you told the forward direction. You only told the forward direction.
Yes, sir.
Done.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Next.
Next. Oh, wait. Yeah. This is example number 2.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is example number 3.
Yes, sir.
Today you went the school?
No, sir.
Okay. Winter vacation is going on or what? Or what?
No, sir, no.
Okay,
I
okay.
took it off today.
Mhm.
Because the cases are rising, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Very high. Done?
Yes, sir.
I think some more pages are there. So many example we studied. Yeah, this is also example number 4. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think some last page is this one. This is the last page, I think. Last page. Example number 5.
Yes, sir.
Today it will be over. Chemical equilibrium, today it will be over. So you need to solve the
Okay, sir.
problems and then you ask the problem. Then we'll start ionic equilibrium. If you are having the book, you take the pic and send me the problems. I will solve and we will do here online also. We can do the problems.
Okay, sure, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is what the addition of pressure. So what we studied till now, I know Lee Chatelier principle. Okay, so that is Lee Chatelier principle. That is effect of effect of concentration we study. Second one, effect of temperature we study, effect of temperature. And today we study what effect of pressure. Okay, effect of pressure. Okay. Today again we are
Yes, sir.
studying that is effect of addition of catalyst. Effect of addition
Okay.
of catalyst. Jana, what are catalyst? Can you please tell me?
Sir,
Hmm.
chemical enzymes.
Very good.
Chemical enzymes that combine to form another enzyme.
Yeah, correct. They are the chemical
Correct, sir.
enzyme. Yes. They are the chemical enzyme. So if you are writing catalyst, so catalysts are the substance. Catalysts are the substance which either, they are saying, which either increases, okay, either increases or decreases, either increases or decreases the rate of reaction, okay. So what are catalysts, Janav, if you are defining? So catalysts are the substance, okay, which either, it will increase the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction. Getting my point? Catalysts are the substance which either increases or decrease the rate of reaction. Now, catalyst two types are there. Okay, catalyst type. Catalyst type. Catalyst type. If you are going down, Janab, that is two type. First one is positive catalyst. They are the positive catalyst. Now, Janab, when you are talking about positive catalyst, so what do you mean by positive catalyst? They increases the rate of reaction. They increases the rate of both. What is rate of both forward and backward reaction? Forward and backward reaction. Forward and backward reaction. That is, you need to keep in mind. Catalyst, positive catalyst will increase the rate of reaction forward as well as backward. Now second point, if you are going negative catalyst. Negative catalyst. So negatively catalyst means what? They decreases. Now they decreases the rate of what? Both forward and backward reaction. Both forward and backward reaction. That you need to keep in mind. Backward reaction. Okay. So catalyst, if you are talking, Janam, they are saying they increases the rate of both forward and backward reaction, and negative catalyst, they decreases the rate of both forward and backward reaction. So negative catalyst is decreasing the rate and positive catalyst is increasing the rate. Are you be able to understand, Janab?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. So, Janab, we need to write. Can you please write down the catalyst? Firstly, you write down the catalyst. Firstly, we need to understand what is catalyst. Did you understand catalyst? Catalyst means what they are saying, catalysts are the substance which either increase or decrease the rate of reaction. Okay, so that is what they are saying, Janab. Here, the second case we wrote, that is they increases the rate of both forward and backward reaction. So means rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction, and they are decreasing. So again, rate of what? Forward is equal to rate of backward reaction. So what will happen, Janab? I am writing the again heading. Okay, again heading.
Yes,
You will
sir.
try to understand effect of catalyst on equilibrium. Effect of catalyst on equilibrium. Equilibrium. So
Yes, sir.
since rate of forward and backward reaction, rate of forward and backward reaction, since rate of forward and backward reaction are equal, so it does not have what? Effect on equilibrium. Are you be able to understand this? Oh.
Hello, yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, my network disconnected.
No problem, Janab. I can understand. You are, patiently listening always. So it's been very difficult. So Janab, what they are saying, suppose it is A to B is there now, A to B. So that is rate of forward reaction, rate of backward reaction are same. Because they increasing the forward reaction, also they are decreasing the backward reaction. So that is what RF is equal to RB. Okay, RF is equal to RB. So what we so no effect on equilibrium. So no effect on equilibrium. Are you be able to understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Will you want to write this one? Yeah, this one.
Yes, sir.
So first
I
you
want to write.
yeah. You must be getting tired now by watching this many lectures.
Yes, sir. Because in morning also we have online classes, right, sir?
Acha, school people are taking the class online morning. Done. Done, Janab. Done. Done.
Hello, yes, sir.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay, this page. Positive catalyst means increasing the rate of both forward and backward reaction. Negative catalyst means
Yes.
decreasing the rate of both forward and backward reaction. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this page also please write down. Okay. Effect of catalyst on equilibrium. That is since a rate of forward and backward reaction are equal, so it does not have effect on equilibrium.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last heading is there. That is effect of, last point is there, effect of addition of inert gas. Okay. inert
Yes,
gas, effect of addition of inert gas. This is the last heading from the chemical equilibrium. Then we will move tomorrow from ionic equilibrium. So at constant volume, okay, at constant volume, so what they are saying, B proportional N. So if you are, if number of, they are saying, at constant volume, so they are saying that is B is constant, B is
yes,
constant, B they are saying that is constant at constant volume, at constant volume. So they are saying if volume is constant, they are saying if volume is constant, then
yes, sir.
addition of inert gas, addition of inert gas, addition of inert gas have no effect, okay,
Yes, sir.
because if volume V is constant means N is constant. Okay, if B is constant, because proportional now, B proportional, B constant means N constant. So if volume is constant, then addition of inert gas have no effect. This point you need to keep in mind. If volume is constant, addition of gas has no effect because B constant means N constant. Now the second point, at constant pressure. This is important, very, very important. At constant pressure, at constant pressure. So at constant pressure, what the concept is there? If volume, if what they are saying constant pressure, if number of moles, if either you can say if addition, if inert gas added, if inert gas added,
Yes,
if inert gas added, then equilibrium will shift, then equilibrium will shift always, equilibrium will shift always in that direction, in that direction, in that direction. You need to memorize this one, in that direction where number of mole is high, where number of moles are high, number of moles are high. This is what the concept, number of. So equilibrium in this case, when the constant pressure is there, so equilibrium will shift in that direction where number of moles is high. That you keep in mind. If inert gas added, the equilibrium will shift always in that direction where number of moles is are high. That please you need to keep in mind. If inert gas added, the equilibrium will shift always in that direction where number of moles are high. This is
yes, sir.
okay. So this is the point which we need to keep in mind. So if you, okay, firstly you do this one. Janab, are you writing this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this page also you write, please. This is
Yes, sir.
important. Over.
No.
Okay. At constant, constant, this is constant.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Wait.
So done. So Janab, this is all about the chemical equilibrium, right? Chemical equilibrium is over. Little fast we study. So what you want tomorrow, that is one thing is there. ionic equilibrium. Either we can go that is ionic equilibrium, or we can do the second things, we can do the practice problem. You let me know. You want practice problem or
Yes,
direct?
sir, I want practice problem.
So tomorrow can we practice the problems on equilibrium, chemical equilibrium? Can we practice here live practice problems, numerical or?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow we will.
Okay, tomorrow. So if you are having the books, Janab, if you want from your book, you send me today. Okay, I will see that one.
Okay, sir. I'll send you today.
Otherwise, I will do from my book. Okay. So you want, if you want from your book, you just take a pic and send to me. Otherwise, I will do from my book. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So are you sending to me?
Yes, sir. I'll see, sir. I'll see and tell you.
Okay, okay. Then you put me message. Otherwise, I will do from my book. Okay. So from there also we can practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay.
Yes, sir.
Can we stop today? Then tomorrow we'll do the practice.
Yeah, sir. No problem, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Then okay, Janab, bye. Tomorrow we'll study. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we'll do the practice problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Bye, 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 bye.